Picture yourself in the 2020 Nissan Frontier. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a hard-working Nissan Frontier, the midsize pickup that's durable, comfortable, and up to the task. Whether you're on the job site or hitting the trail, this rugged partner has your back. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, bedliner, backup camera, fog lamps, V6 cylinder engine, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, trailer hitch, heated front seat. Feel ready to meet the challenge in this capable Frontier. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.